Hello everyone and welcome to Fit Grandpa George's second garage training session. Today what I want to share with you is what I do to keep my biceps and triceps in form. Now when you watch this video you might see on some of my exercises a little hole that I have there. So I don't know if you can see it, but if you're wondering what that is, it's a bicep tear that actually the long bicep detached itself from my shoulder. So I never got the operation to reattach it. I have to be cautious with how heavy I lift, but apart from that, it's just cosmetic, which I don't mind cosmetics because all I want to do is be able to train. It's not about the looks at all. So with any further ado, guys, let's get into it. First, I like to do some stretching, and the one I usually start with is with the wall. I'll put my hand on the wall. What I want to do is just step forward so that I get a nice stretch on the bicep. Okay, you're also going to get a bit of a stretch on your chest, but that's good. Do it 30 seconds on one side and 30 seconds on the other side. Another one that I like to do is I will grab my fingers, push them back and stretch my arm, bring my arm down, and you're going to feel a nice stretch of forearm where it joins with the bicep. Hold it for 30 seconds on one arm and for 30 seconds on the other arm. Then I also like to grab a pair of light dumbbells, 5-6 kilos, and then just do full stretch bicep curls, nice and slow. Let that weight of the dumbbell stretch that bicep. I'll do 10 on each side, so one set of 20 repetitions. Okay guys, let's get that workout happening. Okay guys, and that is what I do to keep my biceps and triceps nice and toned. And please don't train with your ego. I have done that in the past, and that is how you get injured. So make sure that you have the appropriate weights that you want to use so that you can work your muscles but not injure them, okay? So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Signing out for now, this is Fit Grandpa Georgie. Love ya.